massive welcome back to the channel, you lovely people. Now let's talk about in this video a very critical tool. Now we recently spoke about exchanges looking at the effect of trading fees and how they can sap away your profits quite quickly over time. Well, in this video I kind of just want to summarize a few exchanges that I think are personally good for crypto whales to use, or just genuinely like people that are quite advanced at trading, or even if you're a beginner and you just want to do some spot buying or holding or whatever it is. It doesn't matter what type of trader you are in the blockchain / web3 / crypto space. I think all of these exchanges can be relevant and help you with cost savings because of their low fees, but also the highly secure, highly liquid, popular exchanges. Now, of course, when you look at crypto, it's overwhelming for a beginner. You look here and you're like, wow, you've got all these cryptos, and there are thousands, there are tens of thousands of cryptos. And of course, where you buy also matters. So I just want to put out there, of course, crypto is very volatile. This is not financial advice, but here are some exchanges I personally like to use. And the market is in neutrality at the moment. So for me, it's a good time to be trading, dollar cost averaging, and just sort of buying into tokens that I enjoy. So let's talk about the first exchange, which is CaseX. CaseX is one of my favorites. And to be honest, when we did the sort of trading fees video, speaking about how, you know, fees do take a lot of your money, because some exchanges have 1% fees, which is insane. CaseX has the lowest fees in the market. It's a centralized exchange. No KYC is required, and this is one of my favorite exchanges. So yeah, I do a lot of trading here, and I'm going to show you quickly the fees and how great this is. So you can use it anywhere in the world. You can sign up in seconds, and you might also get some bonus rewards waiting for you. But look, trade altcoin futures with the lowest fees. Spot fees, 0% maker, 0% taker. Futures, 0% maker, 0.01% taker. So either way, it's still very, very small fees. You could be doing like $10,000 trades, and overall the taker fee is still going to be very minuscule on the overall transaction, right? So absolutely insane. Look, a 10,000 buy Bitcoin on CaseX would be a $1 fee. But if you did a $10,000 buy on other exchanges that are bigger fees, then you could be, you know, looking at much larger you know, fees in general. So really, really big of a 1%, it'll be $100 fee. Even on a 0.6%, it's still going to be a $60 fee. So over time, it does compound to quite a large amount. Anyways, here's CaseX, very simple to use. There's not a lot going on, as you can see. There's your fee center. You can see this is how your trading looks, the widgets and things like that. Bitcoin, you've got here Ethereum, you've got alts, you've got memes, you've got AI, you've got Solana coins. You've got so many pairs on here, and it's really catching up, in my opinion, to like MEXC in terms of like popularity. But this is one I do a lot of trading with for sure. Really like it, and I, you know, for sure I think I'll keep on using it for a long time. The link is down below to this exchange if you want to sign up to it, no problem at all. Next up we have Bitchinix. Now fees are a bit higher, still very popular, very crypto-y. Of course, they're getting new listings all the time. They're really cutting into the meme territory a lot at the moment as well. So they're getting more listings, they're becoming more popular, they're getting more traction in the crypto markets. Slightly higher fees. However, one thing for sure is that you're going to get like more product side. You're going to get copy trading, where you can copy popular traders out there in the crypto space very easily, very quickly, and you can copy their moves to try and also make some profits. We can also see they have an earning center where you can do flexible fixed term earning to hopefully make some sort of, you know, passive incomes. Now, it's always not guaranteed. And remember, it's always risky to lock up liquidity in any format, because not your keys, not your crypto. But yeah, it's cool to see that they do have these options available as well. And here is the sort of terminal, the UX, the UI for your buying on the spot side of things. Of course, you can do leverage trading too, but there on the left, you've got all these different cryptos that you can also buy. So really cool. More product side, still really great exchange, good leverage trades here you can do as well, all the way up to 1000x, I believe. Next up, we got MEXC. This is a really popular one for crypto whales because it's probably one of the most secure out there, actually. I think in MEXC's existence, like, nothing bad has happened for it. Right now, it looks like there's a ton meets MEXC event. Ton Triumph $1 million prize pool awaits, 0 fees, up to 400% APR and more. So they're doing this competition. It's ran from 21 May to 20th June. If you like Ton Coin, sign up down below, get yourself into it. I've got the link there waiting for you. Right now they've got 0 fees on Ton trading and withdrawals and a bunch of other things going on. Of course, I've got a rewards hub as well. So signing up should hopefully give you some sort of deposit bonus or trading volume bonus or something like this. Now, MEXC is really good. I forgot to mention as well with, by the way, Bitchnix, you can buy and on-ramp your fiat currency really easy into here. You can use third-party payments. You can use like Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, all these juicy things. Really nice, modern to on-ramp your dollar or your euro or whatever you're putting into the exchange. Same with, MEXC. Fiat deposit becomes very easy, very user-friendly. It's not rocket science. You can pretty much plug away really easy with MEXC. You can get started really easy. Again, look, quick buy, sell. You've got global bank transfer. So again, that's your MasterCard, your Visa, things like this are very familiar ways to on-ramp your fiat currency. So it's really good that they've got the advanced KYCs and everything like this because it keeps you safe. So in some cases, you've got a KYC. It is also geographically limited. So some countries you cannot actually use MEXC. So find out if you're one of those, because of course, you know, it's nice having that decentralized side where you can use it anywhere. But if you want the extra layer of security, then it comes with the KYC factor in a lot of cases. Here we can see the UX UI, how it looks. Very nice, very simple. Tidy, quite similar to KSEX in that sense. But this is a great exchange. I think, you know, the clicking things on this I find a bit sloppy. Like when I click here, it's a bit weird sometimes. Like I've clicked, but then it sometimes, so it's not as like clean and easy to use as like, in my opinion, KSEX. Like it just comes up. I don't even have to click. I just hover over and there it is. So when I go back to like MEXC sometimes, hover over, yeah, and you have to click and it gets a bit like, there's a delay, you know. And that delay is a bit strange sometimes, but you know, we get over it. MEXC fiat deposit's nice. They've also got rewards hub. You can do staking. There's airdrops. There's so much cool stuff here. You got invite and earn. Yeah, definitely a good exchange to be looking at. Next up, last one on the list is Blowfin, another one that's quite new in the crypto space. Blowfin, where whales are made. So crypto whales do use this one as well. You've got markets here. You can look at hot coins, you can look at gainers, you can look at losers, you can do copy trading too. So that's really cool to see that you can copy trade out. There are a lot of successful crypto traders in the market and follow their footsteps and try to copy their profits, which is quite cool. What else can you do? You can buy your crypto. You can easily on-ramp, again, using these similar paths. Bankcard, Simplex, Alchemy. There are a lot of payment solutions and providers that you can use to on-ramp into Blowfin. So this is another one I like. I think it's good. Buying crypto has never been so simple. Like I say, Bankcard, Visa, all this good juicy stuff. You can do earning here. So you've got a lot of like different staking models that you can enjoy. A lot of them being USDT and Ethereum. But you can also stake things like Bitcoin if you wanted. But I think the rewards are a lot lower. Stablecoins look pretty good here. You can see you have these different durations and terms at the same time. So it looks cool. Very, very good. So these are basically 4 exchanges I really do personally like. We have KSEX, of course. We have Bitchnix. We have also MEXC. And then we got the Blowfin exchange at the same time. So in a nutshell, these are 4 exchanges you could use. But it all just comes down now to what do you prefer? What do you like the look of? Based on the information I've told you, lowest fees goes to KSEX. Highest security probably goes to MEXC. I would say Bitchnix and Blowfin for me. God, these guys are so neck on neck. I think they're very similar exchanges in some sense, and it just comes down to which one you prefer the look of. So, for example, you could use KSEX as your low fee exchange to save a lot of money. You could use MEXC as maybe your larger holdings because of the security side, and then you could use like for your fully sort of DeFi, globally accessible, anonymous sort of trading and moving money towards KSEX or other exchanges or however you wish to use it, if you wanted to, Bitchnix or Blowfin. So yeah, you have 3 exchanges. I always recommend using more than one because if you put all your money on one exchange and that one goes south or something bad happens, then you've lost everything. But if you've kind of spread a little bit across, then it is a strategy you can utilize to also use as a bit of a safety net. I mean, for example, if you held all your crypto on one exchange and it got hacked, then you're at massive risk of losing absolutely everything rather than just a portion, right? So it's always good to be secure in that sense too. Before we go, if you are looking for trading signals and you want to really achieve that time, location, financial freedom, please do check out my Patreon is down below. This will give you also a bunch of buy and sell signals which you can use with these exchanges. So it will really help you. You're going to get easy to follow buy and sell signals, as well as altcoin and spot coin alpha calls and more. So space is limited, as you can see, Crypto Legend being the most popular. Now I just want to say thanks for watching this video. We'll see you soon. Bye for now. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, like this video, and comment down your favorite exchange. I would love to know.